Hey everyone, my name's Sean Kelly. Today, I'll be talking about a project I've been working on that uses hand gestures to fly a quadcopter. To do this, I'm using a Microsoft HoloLens and a Crazyflie 2.0. I'll put links to both of these in the description below. The app uses spatial input and perception APIs to recognize hand gestures and convert them into set points. These set points are transmitted directly from the HoloLens to the Crazyflie through Bluetooth. Here we see the Crazyflie running a customized version of the popular flight control software, Betaflight. The UI is responding to hand gestures transmitted through Bluetooth. Air taps toggle arming, and tap and drag, or manipulation, along the vertical axis controls thrust. Manipulation along the forward and backward direction controls the angle of pitch. And finally, manipulation to the left and to the right controls the angle of roll. Here's a look at the system in action. Stable flight is possible, but challenging. This is mostly due to the latency of the Bluetooth link, but also the difficulty of holding a hand steady in 3 dimensions. Adding another form of stabilization to the quadcopter makes for a more compelling experience. The Crazyflie has a series of expansion decks with various functionality. Here I've attached the flow deck to the bottom of the Crazyflie. This deck uses a time of flight sensor to measure vertical distance from the floor, and a downward-facing optical flow sensor to track lateral movements in space. With this extra stabilization, the Crazyflie can hover in place and hold its position in space between manipulation gestures. This allows for smaller adjustments without needing to hold the hand steady for long durations. I've changed manipulation along the vertical axis to correspond to a delta in hover height, and the horizontal axes now control velocity in a given direction instead of absolute pitch and roll angles. Thanks for watching. Be sure to check out my article on thejumperwire.com for some more details and links to source code.